Ready to refresh your Poshmark identity with a brand new username? First, tap the Poshmark app icon on your phone to open the app. Once you're in, look for the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen, and tap on it. This will take you to your personal Poshmark page. Now, find the wrench icon in the top right corner of your profile page. This is your gateway to the account settings, so tap on it to proceed. A new menu will appear. Scroll down and tap on Edit Profile. This section is where you can modify your Poshmark details, including your username. You should now see the Edit Profile page. Locate the username field and tap inside the text box to begin typing. Carefully type in your desired new username. Remember to choose something unique and memorable that reflects your Poshmark style. Once you are happy with your new username, scroll to the bottom of the Edit Profile page and tap the blue Save button. And that's it. Your Poshmark username is now successfully updated. You can see your new username displayed on your profile page. Enjoy your refreshed Poshmark presence.